good, KG fam? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Right now we are about to go put on the new bumper. So I had this bumper repainted because the one that I have on now got full of rock chips when I went to Vegas for Eurofest and then when we went on the Canyon as well. So brand new bumper is about to be put on. We shaved the reflectors, so also you can see that the reflectors are shaved here. Let me just show you guys. So I had them shave the reflectors on the other ones. So on the M3s, like when they're not like modified or whatever, the bumpers, they'll have the little reflector right here. So I had them shave this part, and you can't even tell like if there was nothing there. It's insane. So I told my friend at ABS Auto Body, I'm like, you know what? Do the same for the other bumper. So it's gonna have that clean look. So no reflectors. A lot of people think I Photoshop it in my photos, saying about the reflectors, but nah. Had them shaved. They did a really good job. Put the camera back. They did a really good job. So, and then I also had them paint my air scoops orange. So I don't know if you guys remember the little orange little air scoops that were in my grills. I had those repainted as well because they were full of like rock chips and stuff like that, and just like with over time. And then we might stop by Auto Technic, the carbon fiber parts store. I got to replace the hood vent. Let me show you guys again, because this one's starting to like peel, as you can see here. So, and then this one's that one's starting to lift on that side. So we're gonna stop by after, hopefully, and probably pick up a new set of hood vents, and I might get some carbon fiber mirror caps as well, because I used to have those like a long time ago. This is before I even started vlogging, and I don't know, I think I want them back. So probably get some new carbon parts today. So right now we're about to head out to ABS, and let's get the vlog going. All right, so we're here at ABS. We got an E90 M3 with a roll cage, NSX, Gallardo, and an E92 M3. Damn, this is clean. On TEs. Look at this Lambo though. The red interior. The wing. Damn. This one's hard. For some reason, this one looks really, really good. It's got blacked out like headlights inside. And check this out. This is sick. On BBS, Recaros. Let's go. And then this E90 with the white TEs, white cage, everything white. Damn, it's got Recaros in it. This one's hard. Simply clean. All these cars are white, except for the Lambo. I think Lambo's like a little bit grayish. But we about to put the new bumper on and see how it looks. I'm excited. All right, guys, so the new bumper's on. They're just polishing it up. Brand new bumper. I don't know how long this bumper is gonna last me, but try to keep it as clean as I can for a while. So we've stopped at Auto Technic. They're gonna I have to give these back to them. And I got brand new hood vents, so let me show you guys. Show you real quick. Brand new carbon fiber hood vents. Damn, fresh. Shout out to Auto Technic. Make sure you guys go check them out on Instagram for all your carbon fiber needs. I have literally my side vents, my hood vents, my grills are by them. I've had their products for about over 3 years now, and I've never had a problem with them. Very good quality carbon fiber parts. Just make sure you guys check them out on Instagram. I'll put their Instagram down in the description box. They sell parts for not even just E9X. If you have an M2 or M4 or M3, M5, M6, or not even a Beamer. If you have a Benz, they have Benz parts. I think they have Audi parts. They have, I think, Ferrari parts. I have like all these type of carbon fiber products. So make sure you guys go check them out on Instagram and check them out. Damn, this is a clean M3. Oh, look at the comp wheels. I haven't seen comp wheels in gloss black. Carbon mirror caps, red interior, DCT. Wow, this one's so clean. I think it's mineral white as well. They just got it. 2017. Man. My homie Carlos needs to get his comp wheels gloss black. That looks hard. Damn, look at my old bumper with all the chips here. Look at that. That is crazy. But now we don't have that no more. We have a brand new one. Today, Nick hit me up and he's like, yo, like, let's do something today. So I'm like, all right, well, let's go to Azusa Canyon. If you guys are from the valley, you guys know where that is. So he made a little flyer, and let me just show you to you guys right here. Hold up. So it's I don't know if you guys can see, but it says meeting at 1 p.m., leaving at 1:30, blah blah blah, the address, any cars are welcome. So he said a bunch of cars hit him up. So I was like, all right, well, let's meet up, let's see what happens. So right now I'm just filling up gas, and then we're gonna meet up with Nick. And I need to eat, guys. I haven't ate shit this morning or today. So right now I'm just chilling, waiting, and then we'll meet up with Nick and everybody else. Hopefully a lot of cars come through. It's kind of like a last minute thing, but I don't even know where the address is. I'm just, let's see, 809 North Azusa. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the maps. 809. Let's see, 809. Oh, from Nick. Let's see. Oh my god, an hour? Are you serious? Bruh. Oh my gosh. Oh, actually, there's not too much traffic there. It's just like kind of like over here. But we're leaving at 1:30, and I'm gonna get there at 1:24 if I leave like right now. This thing is still filling up. Also, it is hot as shit today. I don't know why. This whole entire week and all next week it is gonna be hot. I kind of miss it. I like the cloudy weather. And also, we are almost at 5K subscribers. I think we're about maybe less than 50 away from 5,000. So make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys subscribe, and make sure you guys like this video as well. All right, 60 smackaroonies. Hopefully this fills up full tank. Ooh. All right, let's put this back in. We don't need you no more. Just put the gas in. Let's hit the road. That's what I'm talking about. Full tank, baby. That's how we roll. All right, we got the little care package. Now we are about 8 minutes away from the meet. Probably just eat over there. Now, I don't know if you guys know me, but I never bring food in my car. And if I do, the windows are down so that the food doesn't, like, the smell stay in the car. That's how freaking OCD I am about this. All right, so we're at this meetup spot that Nick put together, and we got an M4 Camaro, two 335s, two M3s, and Audi just pulled up. Hopefully this canyon run is nice. I swear, I'm going like 20. I'm really not trying to mess up my bumper. Damn, Nick's car is dirty. Dude, this is dirty, dude. Was a cat walking on it?
Oh yeah, my cat.
Oh my god.
Nice car.
Where's your reflector, Phil? I'll let you borrow mine. Alright, so Nick wants a chicken sandwich, and I'm such a good person, I'm gonna give him a chicken sandwich. Here! Oh, whoops. Ooh, I feel bad, bro. Here, take it. Oh my, don't expose it. Dude, you're a burn. Is it good? You're welcome, G. I think we're in trouble. We got the cops. Something happened or what? Everybody gotta make a U-turn? What's going on? Am I at a checkpoint or something? Okay, so he did like a full walk around of Nick's car. I wonder what he's telling him. Huh. Pretty random. Yeah, dog, he's full straight pipe. You got a ticket? No, you didn't. I saw him walking around your car, but what?
Bro, you want to know? He told me my car is too low. The banner's too low.
What?
I'm missing an LED light on the side.
No, he did not.
I swear he told me you're missing a blinker on the side. Your car's way too low. That's what he told me. And I was like, I have air suspension, bro. And then what else he told me? Oh, he told me. He told me last time. He was mad, bro.
Did he say you're whack?
Yeah.
Dude, I went so slow on this canyon.
Alright, we're gonna go fast now.
We're going back down?
No, we go up a little more.
Why are you guys all this way then?
Because I wanted to see what's over the bridge, but there's nothing over there.
Hey, I tried to park in the middle of the bridge, but cars.
It's too much cops, bro.
Yeah. Now we're leading the pack. so we're at the top.
Imagine I got a thumbnail with the cop like this.
I did. I can save it into the frame. So we're up here. It's a nice place. Let's get some pictures. All right, so all the cars are lined up. Just get like a sick little photo up here. Rev it. Is that the rod bearings?
Yeah.
Damn, this looks.
Take some. What the fuck? I can take it. Oh, I can't reach.
Nick's car dash is literally on the floor.
Not low enough.
Needs more low.
Really about to buy bags, bro. Almost.
What?
You almost bought bags.
I know, I almost did. I was like this close from buying them. Yeah, Camaro sounded good. You just got a muffler deleted before you came. You taking a shit? What are you doing? Oh shit! Damn, busting up the drone.
Put a movie out here. I'm about to crash out here. Bro, I've had this drone for so long. I don't even know how to play it anymore.
Give it to somebody in need.
Crash it, bro?
Yeah, give it to someone that needs it.
Guys, look, this is the drone I was talking about. I don't remember the last time I even flew it. Imagine I crashed it, bro. I don't even know how to do this anymore.
Put the drone with the biker, dude. Follow the biker. Dude, this guy is flying, dude. Look at this guy. Follow him with the drone. Look at this shit, Kevin. I can't even see. I think I see Mastermind from here. That's sick.
Way over here where we won't get hit.
I think it was about to die. Damn, Nick, he's calling you out, dog. He's calling you out, Nick.
What's up, tubers?
Come on, Nick.
I told you I was gonna catch you guys up here, and that's what's his name right there. I think I know this guy right here. Wait, hold up. Okay, I should have looked older. Looks like my homie. So what's up? Now we're trying to run it?
I'm too slow.
Nick, the red one.
God,
This red one right here.
my shit's fucking slower than yours. Want to play for P?
For pinks, Nick.
I'm down.
Nick don't even got the pinks in the car.
Yeah, he's trying to go pink.
The bank got it, bro.
I got my slip right here.
Sell that car out.
I'll take that home, brother, and I'll sell it.
The Camaro.
Yeah, Camaro. Break it in.
Camaros are not fast up here.
Ooh.
Like that Subaru right there, I like that. That'll give me a competition right there if they know how to drive it. What car is that?
If they know how to drive
I don't
it.
know how to drive it.
Shit.
Tires are
Better.
the better what? You're on the double R. Come on, Dougie, let's get it. One side, Dougie. We got one.
The red one.
The red one right here.
I'm trying to run it.
This one said he'll gap you, dog.
I'm too slow.
What's up? I even commented on it too, like I was gonna catch you fucking ladies. What's happening? Get it, brother.
Ooh.
All that show, but you ain't really about that.
Damn, dog, you said you all about that show, fool.
It's a show. It's just a car.
What the hell is it?
nigga being a bitch right here.
He making a video. He making a video.
They put it in mine, too.
Oh, he really getting out of the car now. What's wrong with this guy? What's wrong with this guy?
Not the same anymore. And 3 calling him out. That's the YouTuber right here. He don't want it though. He was talking all that. Y'all remember that shit? How fast are the carriers, bruh? It's a gorgeous car. I ain't gonna front. Beautiful. They get 35. I respect the 35. You don't want it though, G.
Gotta be trying.
Alright, bro, you a bitch, my boy.
Dang.
Straight up, G. Alright, bro. Yeah, don't come up here, bro. If you ain't really gonna be like that, right? I try to tell you, who's out here really run it out here? Wanna run it with the slits? We should get it. I got a couple homies coming up here. Hatchbacks, bro.
Hatchbacks.
And they'll smoke you.
Still not an M3 though. Right?
The what?
I said it's still not an M3 though.
Hey, I could have got an M3.
Then why didn't you?
These cars ain't even expensive, brother.
Oh.
They're like 10 G's.
10 G's.
You can find a used one.
10 G's. Maybe 10 G's for yours, but not this. Come on, dog.
And you a car enthusiast, bro? Are you really?
Am I really?
Are you? What
Am
kind
I?
of engine is that, bro?
It's a fucking V8, dog. S65.
V8 what,
S65.
bro? You a basic.
You a basic.
Let's get facts on this nigga. Hold up.
So what is it? I don't know. What is it? Explain to me.
We'll make you look stupid,
All right, make me look stupid then, dog.
Alright, bro.
All right, guys. Before we end the vlog, let me just show you guys the view. Look at this view. This shit is nice. This don't even look like LA. I can't even say, like. I bet if I put this on my Instagram, somebody would definitely say, you know, like, where's this at? Because this does not look like Los Angeles, California. But before we end the vlog, I just want to say, hold on. There's so many like little mosquitoes. It's annoying. Sorry, guys. I just want to say I truly appreciate you guys. We're almost at 5K subscribers. 5,000 people are subscribed to my channel. Almost. I honestly never even thought I'd get to 1,000, which is crazy to see that I'm almost going to reach 5,000 subscribers. My goal by the end of this year is to hit, hold on, I don't even know if you guys can see these little bugs. They're like flying everywhere. So yeah, my goal by the end of this year is to hit 10,000 subscribers. That is my ultimate goal. But I also want to know, like, what do you guys think? Like, what are your guys' like what do you guys want to see on my channel? Do you guys want to see, you know, more car meets, like me linking up with other friends, cruising? Like, what do you guys think? Like, let me know. Like, comment down below. I'm always reading your guys' comments. Should I do like a point of view type of driving thing, going on the canyon? I know Nick does that a lot. I need to invest in like a little GoPro. I think something like that would be pretty cool. So let me know. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. And make sure you guys tell everybody to subscribe to the KG fam. I think I'm just gonna stick with that. Either KG fam or KG familia. But I think KG fam just because it's like more simple and smaller and like, I guess, whatever. So comment down below. Let me know. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Thank you for watching. I promise the next vlog should be better. I won't try to clip as many pieces together because I know they're just kind of random. I know I've been doing that a lot, and the thing is, like, I can't really, I don't know why I can't finish like a vlog, like a full vlog. I'm always like a one day here, one day there. They're just kind of random, so just bear with me. I'm trying to get better at that. I'm really trying to get better at vlogging and editing as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Peace.